It's shaping up to be quite the clash of the titans as the iPhone 15 Pro Max prepares to take on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung's flagship, the S23 Ultra, has already set a stellar benchmark this year, not only with its outstanding battery longevity, but also with its unrivaled camera capabilities. Often touted as the go-to choice for photography enthusiasts and everyday users alike, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has garnered acclaim as one of the premier camera phones available. Additionally, its overall performance and features have positioned it as one of the best investments for anyone looking for unparalleled smartphone excellence. Yet, with recent unveiling of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the scales might be tipping. The excitement generated from Apple's September event was palpable, where they showcased not just the iPhone 15 series, but also introduced the Apple Watch Series 9 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Among the standout features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max are its innovative action button, sturdy titanium alloy framework, the much-anticipated USB-C port, and, crucially, significant camera advancements. It's evident that Apple has its sights set on rivaling, if not surpassing, the Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera prowess, especially with the introduction of the new 5x telephoto lens. So, how do these two giants fare when compared side by side? Stay with us as we delve into the intricacies of the iPhone 15 Pro Max and measure them against the already celebrated features of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This comparison might just determine the ultimate smartphone victor of 2023. And if you're considering grabbing one of these tech marvels, be sure to check out the links in the description below for the best deals available. iPhone 15 Pro Max vs. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, design and display showdown. Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max retains a familiar design akin to its predecessor, but with noteworthy upgrades. A standout change is the new Action button, replacing the iPhone 14 Pro Max's mute switch. Built with a tougher titanium alloy frame, it's sleeker, boasting trimmed bezels and surprisingly weighs just 7.81 ounces, making the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 8.25 ounces feel bulkier. While the Galaxy S23 Ultra demands a two-handed operation due to its size, it doesn't lag in luxury. Although some may feel Apple has an edge in craftsmanship, Samsung's flagship offers 7 vibrant shades. A distinct advantage for the S23 Ultra is the inclusion of the versatile S Pen stylus bundled at no extra cost. Screen-wise, the iPhone 15 Pro Max sports a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with an impressive claimed peak brightness of 2,000 nits. In comparison, the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display reached 1,230 nits in our tests. iPhone 15 Pro Max vs. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, camera clash. When it comes to smartphone duels, the camera comparison always ignites the fiercest debates. And why not? Camera capabilities play a huge role in consumer choices. Leading the pack, Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a dominant camera game. Its quad-camera setup, highlighting a 200-megapixel main sensor and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 10 times optical zoom, is unrivaled. The S23 Ultra's versatility shines, delivering stunning shots whether they're up close or landscapes afar. Especially notable is its low-light mastery, producing brilliantly detailed images even in dim settings. And for photography enthusiasts, it records in crisp 8K at 30 FPS. On the other side, the iPhone 15 Pro Max isn't pulling any punches. A fresh 5x telephoto lens elevates its prowess, leaping from the previous generation's 3x zoom. Apple touts hardware-software synergy, claiming its camera system mimics the capabilities of 7 Pro lenses. Yet the real contest will be seeing how its 5x telephoto lens compares to the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 10x. In the video department, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max caps at 4K 60 FPS, it does introduce some handy features. Notably, its USB port facilitates rapid transfer of 48MP ProRAW shots to Max, coupled with log encoding that's a boon for post-production color grading. Still, Apple has its work cut out to challenge the S23 Ultra's 8K recording. In summary, both giants are going all out in the camera arena. It's a nail-biter, but soon enough, we'll know who truly reigns supreme in mobile photography and videography. iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the powerhouse face-off. Traditionally, Apple's chip game has been untouchable, consistently topping benchmark charts. Yet the tables turned when the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 powering the S23 Ultra outperformed the iPhone 14 Pro Max's A16 Bionic in certain graphics tests. Now, enter the A17 Pro chip, the heartbeat of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Crafted using the advanced 3nm process, it signifies an upgrade from its predecessor's 4nm architecture. Apple promises a 20% surge in graphics prowess, but what's more tantalizing is a potential leap in power efficiency. Without comprehensive training, it's a toss-up on which phone reigns supreme in performance. But one thing's for certain, both are set to deliver lightning-fast app launches and seamlessly fluid animations. The real contest will be revealed soon. iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Battery endurance and charging speeds. In the battery endurance arena, history suggests the iPhone might have an edge. The iPhone 14 Pro Max recorded a commendable 13 hours and 39 minutes in our tests, placing it on our best battery life leaderboard. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, on the other hand, trailed slightly with a 13 hours and 9-minute mark when its display was set to 60 Hz. While it would seem logical to hand the iPhone 15 Pro Max the crown anticipating Apple's penchant for optimization, the actual details remain a tad murky. Although Apple didn't deep dive into specifics, initial reports suggest the iPhone 15 Pro Max mirrors its predecessor's battery performance. Switching gears to charging, the Galaxy S23 Ultra packs a punch with its 45-watt super-fast wired charging. Apple, historically lagging in the rapid charge department due to the 20-watt limitation of its Lightning connector, seems to maintain status quo with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Despite adopting USB-C, the device remains tethered to the 20-watt charging rate, missing an opportunity to ramp up. The tech stage is abuzz with Apple's recent unveiling of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Though it's tantalizing on paper and our hands-on session added depth to our initial impressions, only through testing will reveal if it truly stands out as a hallmark since the iconic iPhone X. With the promise of iOS 17 on the anvil, anticipation is brewing on multiple fronts. It's an era where the race is neck and neck. Devices like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra have showcased the zenith of Android capabilities, balancing stellar photography tools with an interface that amplifies productivity. As murmurs grow about the potential of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the S23 Ultra firmly holds its ground as the titan to challenge. And that wraps up our showdown. Dive into the tech world with us, like, subscribe, and stay informed.